Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 21st of July. Very muggy, soupy, sultry air mass, and had a lot of rain this morning. And so far this afternoon, not as much rain, kind of a backwards order type day than we usually expect this time of the year. Let's go to some of the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. First off, coming from Tuscaloosa, that is looking north from the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse, the sky partly sunny. We'll check the Gadsden Skycam. It's overcast there as we look east over toward the Coosa River. And from Hamilton High School up in Marion County in northwest Alabama, the sky is mostly cloudy. Water vapor satellite shot. We've got a broad ridge over much of the country. Again, the heights have come down, and really the core of the upper high is around Tulsa, and around that we've got this ring of fire type effect, and we've got these thunderstorm clusters that are moving to the southwest through parts of the deep south. And again, there's the radar at 2:43 this afternoon. There's not much out there. We've got some thunderstorms over parts of Hale, Bibb, Perry counties, and Pickens counties, but the morning rain stabilized the air, and accordingly things are quiet. But keep in mind, if the sun keeps on shining for a few hours, we could see more development very easily this afternoon. Hey, hard to find any 90s around here. We've got a couple down south, Alexander City at 91, Montgomery at 92, but clearly we are in the 80s, again, thanks to that morning rain. Those are 2 o'clock observations. Tuscaloosa and the Shoals, 88, Birmingham and Gadsden, 84, Anniston, 86. You like that below average for this time of the year because to the west it is broiling again. Looks like the heat is peaked around 101 near Oklahoma City. That's at 2 o'clock. That nasty heat is, look at it, it's all around us. It's to the north and to the east. We've got readings well up in the 90s over parts of the Carolinas, Virginia, Washington, D.C., Baltimore. I'm telling you, we got a lot to be thankful for. That heat could be a whole lot worse. On the watch warning map, things pretty quiet. Look at that box way up north over Maine. Yeah, that's until 6 o'clock Eastern time this evening. There's the convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. A couple of slight risk areas up north. Tomorrow, slight risk of severe weather from near Cleveland and Detroit up to the Canadian border. And on day 3, which is Saturday, same deal. Typical July map. Slight risk for the upper Midwest. Rain for the next 5 days. This is suggesting rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches here. And we all know we can get that much because some folks had 4 inches overnight last night. The distribution very uneven, but if you smooth it all out, most folks ought to get some good rain here for the next 5 days. This is valid through Tuesday morning at 7. And in the tropics, we've got our pair of fisher storms out there. Brett and Cindy. I almost called her fishermen. We've got a fisherman and a fisherwoman. Brett is fizzling out east of the Outer Banks, and Cindy is becoming extratropical over the North Atlantic. Neither of those a threat to land. The most interesting wave is that one down there over the low latitudes. This couple of days away from the Leeward Islands. The guys at NHC only have a 10% chance of that developing now because of harsh upper winds, but you know, that's the kind of storm you have to watch if it by chance cranks up. We'll see if that can overcome the harsh environmental conditions to do anything in coming days. Before you know it, it's going to be August, and we'll be watching that zone very carefully. All right, this is the 12Z GFS, valid at 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. Winds aloft, light and variable. Strong winds up on the Canadian border. Down below that, yeah, you know what we're going to say. I mean, come on. I've talked about this a good bit, but clearly it is a persistence forecast for a while. Hot, humid days, scattered showers and storms. Highs, low 90s, but if the showers are early in the day, like today, we could be in the upper 80s. Take a look at Saturday as we kick off the weekend. Looks very similar. Scattered showers and storms to dodge, with some sun at times, and the same thing on Sunday. The GFS trying to suggest the better coverage might be a little north of here, but again, we could clearly see a few passing showers and storms. High around 90, maybe 91, 92. And pretty much the same deal for Monday of next week. That's the upper chart. The core of the heat is really out west over toward New Mexico and Colorado. Got a northerly flow aloft here. Still soupy with scattered showers and storms. Tuesday looks the same. Now, Wednesday, we start to see a drier look, and this is the second run in a row we've seen that. And then a week from today, heights are going up. You got that 594 ridge nosing in from the east, and if that's right, that would be kind of hot and really fewer showers and storms around with a better moisture off to the south. But again, that could easily change. We'll check the end of the forecast, August the 6th. Same old thing. Westerlies up north and down below that. Pretty much know the deal. Hot, muggy, scattered showers and storms. How many times do we say that this time of the year? A lot. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Being Alabama's news leader means digging deeper to get you the facts, working harder so you have all sides of the story, and not being afraid to tell the truth. Every day you award us by making ABC 3340 Alabama's most watched news. And now the Associated Press has named us Alabama's most outstanding news operation. That's 9 times since 1996, more than all other stations combined. And that's 9 more reasons you should trust the news leader. ABC 3340.